So here is the truck, day one of buying it, driving it home. You've already seen this. I'll go over the plans probably a little bit later, but I haven't properly shown you the interior. So the windows, except for that one, is down. They all work though, and we have some dirt and grime and whatnot. It just needs a detail, some staining on the seats. We'll get that taken care of and possibly put some seat covers on it. And really the only issue with the interior in its entirety is right here, which isn't too bad. No cracks in the dash. It's very solid there. We got some gauges that were wired in, trailer brake, four-wheel drive, shift selector, obviously. The rest of the interior is good. Overall, got some exposed wires that need to be taken care of, some random junk and trash and stuff that he gave me, a part right back there, but otherwise there's no tears in the upholstery, just some stains and general dirt to take care of. No rips other than right there. So let's get to a detail and make this thing look fresh. Partway through the detail, got the front driver's side done, working on the rear driver's side, and you can see just how much better this carpet looks than over here. Just in the color alone, I brought this back to life. That could definitely use some work and some stain removal, but hey, that's what we're working on next. So if you have some big meaty wheels that you put on your truck and you want to protect the paint and fill out the truck's body a little more to match the wheel offset, then you need to get some fender flares, and that's exactly what we'll be doing today. I got the set right here and I want to show you how to put these on your truck. The first thing that you need to do is order the proper flares for your truck. In this instance, we're working on a Dodge 2500. If we were working on my friend's GMC, they'd be different. So make sure to get proper flares for your truck. The body lines and arches vary from truck to truck, so make sure you get a set that fits.